Good day class. Let's begin our today's English online class. Today we are going to start our exercise number 4.4. In this exercise we are having underline the adjectives in these sentences and write their comparative and superlative degrees. Now you have to underline the adjective and write comparative and superlative form of the given adjective. So let's start. In this sentence, Lara Datta and Hari were one of the first comic pairs in the film. Now class, we are seeing that here comic is the adjective. So the superlative and comparative degree will become comic, more comic and most comic. More comic. Now the superlative degree will become most comic. At third sentence, his rough hands told the story of years of hard labor. Now we are seeing that adjective is applied before noun. Hands is noun here. So rough, rougher, roughest. You will apply the word rough, rougher, roughest. And we are having another adjective here also, hard. So you will mention the word hard, harder. Comparative form is this, harder, er is applying here, and hardest. Now let's come at number 4. The 3 wise kings of the east brought gifts for the baby Jesus. Now we are seeing that wise is the adjective here. So comparative will become wise, wiser and wisest. Wise, wiser, wisest. At number 5, we are having my new computer is technologically very advanced. Now class, you are seeing that new is the adjective here, computer is the noun, so new is the adjective here, and the comparative form will become new, newer, and superlative, newest. You know that in comparative, having adjective with one syllable, we will apply er, and in superlative, est. Similarly, advanced is the adjective here, so we will go with more advanced as comparative and most advanced as superlative degree of adjective. Next is the girl who wrote this story is a very sincere person. Now sincere, more sincere, and superlative, most sincere. At number 7, the pristine beauty of the Himalaya mountains is unmatchable. Now pristine, more pristine and most pristine. The magnificent Taj Mahal stands on the bank of the mighty Yamuna. So magnificent is the adjective here, more magnificent and most magnificent. You will apply here more magnificent and in superlatives most magnificent. And we are having another adjective here also, mighty, mighty Yamuna, mighty. So mighty, mightier, mightiest. Notice that y will be omitted and ier will be added, mightier and mightiest. Next is second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal was selflessly brave in the face of death. So brave is adjective here, brave, braver, bravest. Now let's go on the next page. Yes class, at number 10, Ruskin Bond's prose is not only beautiful but very gentle and soothing too. So we are seeing beautiful is adjective here, so we will go more beautiful and superlative, most beautiful. Next is gentle, gentle, gentler, gentlest. Now class, let's move on the exercise number 4.5. Here you have to make adjectives with these words by adding the suffix, the given suffix you have to add up in the given words in order to make adjectives. So let us start. Attract, it will go with attractive, attract, we will use this suffix ive, attractive. Appreciate, appreciable. Elude, elusive. Response, responsive. Taste, tasty. Measure, measurable. Storm, stormy. Remark, remarkable. Star, starry. Friend, friendly. Sleep, sleepy. And live, lively. So I hope that these adjectives are clear to you. You have to add suffix appropriately to form an adjective. Now it's turn of exercise number 4.6. Complete the similes and with adjectives from the given box. Now we are having these words and we have to frame similes. Now at first place we are having as dash as gold. So we have to choose the word from the box. So as good as gold, उतना अच्छा जितना gold. And the next is as dash as a kid with a new toy. So we are seeing एक बच्चा जिसके पास एक नया खिलौना हो तो then he will be so pleased. So as pleased उतना खुश, as pleased as a kid with a new toy. Number 3, as dash as stone. Now stone, पत्थर कैसा होता है? The stone is always hard. So as hard as stone. Class, you should notice that we are applying as word and it will relate to the term similes. In similes, we make comparisons by using the words as and as. At number 4, as black as coal, उतना काला जितना कोयला. As clear as a picture, जितना साफ है जितनी पिक्चर होती है. As white as snow, snow जो होती है वो white होती है बर्फ. As light as feather, पंख जो होते हैं बिल्कुल लाइट वेटेड होते हैं. As old as the hills, पहाड़ियाँ बहुत पुरानी होती हैं. So as old as the hills. As quick as a flash, जितनी तेज़ी से फ्लैश पड़ता है उतना ही तेज़ी से है. As quick as a flash. As red as a beetroot, बीटरूट होता है चुकंदर, उतना ही लाल जितना बीटरूट है. So these were your similes. You have to learn them. Now we are going to do exercise number 4.8. In this exercise we are having complete the sentences using a comparative form. Now you have to make a good use of the comparative form. So at first place we are having it's too noisy here. यहाँ बहुत शोर है. Can we go somewhere dash. अब noisy का opposite क्या होगा? Quiet. But we have to make use of comparative. So we will write the word quieter. I am writing it here. Quieter. Okay. This is the comparative form of the adjective quiet. Next is this coffee is very weak. ये कॉफ़ी बहुत कमज़ोर है, मतलब इसमें strong नहीं है. I like it a big, a stronger. Weak का opposite strong. So you have to I like it a big, stronger. You will add up here stronger. Okay. This word is stronger. Next is the hotel was surprisingly big. I expected it to be dash. Now you will form the word I expected. कहते हैं होटल तो बहुत सरप्राइजिंगली बिग है, आश्चर्यजनक रूप से बड़ा है, और मैंने क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया था? इट टू बी स्मॉलर. कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म विल बिकम स्मॉलर. नेक्स्ट इज एट नंबर 4, द होटल वॉज सरप्राइजिंगली चीप. अब ये होटल तो कहते हैं बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंगली सस्ता है. आई एक्सपेक्टेड इट टू बी मोर एक्सपेंसिव. चीप सस्ता, एक्सपेंसिव महंगा, मोर एक्सपेंसिव. नेक्स्ट इज ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, page number 43, we are having sentence number 5. The weather is too cold in this country. I would like to live somewhere warmer. Now cold, warm, and comparative warmer. My job is a bit boring sometimes. I would like to do something more interesting. Boring, interesting. Comparative, more interesting. I was surprised how easy it was to use the computer. I thought it would be more difficult. Okay, so easy, will go with the adjective difficult and the comparative form will become more difficult. I hope it's quite clear to you. Your work isn't very good. I am sure you can do better. Good, better, best. This is the comparative form. Don't worry, the situation isn't so bad. It could be worse. Bad, worse, worst. Comparative form you are using. Next is, I was surprised we got here so quickly. I expected the journey to take longer. Now students, you are applying comparative form of the adjectives in blanks according to the appropriateness of the sentence. First you have to read the sentence, understand the meaning. After that you will go with the comparative form of the adjective. You are talking very loudly. Can you speak a bit more quietly, loudly, quiet, and the comparative form will become more quietly and the superlative most quietly. You are talking very loudly. Can you speak a bit more quietly? Next is, you hardly ever phone me. Why don't you phone me more often? Okay, hardly, शायद ही कभी किया हो आपने, often, अक्सर. So the comparative will become more often. You are standing too near the camera. Can you move a bit further away? You were a bit depressed yesterday, but you look happier today. आप यहाँ पर adjective ऐड करेंगे happy, happier, happiest. Okay class? So I hope these exercises are quite clear to you. Students, यहाँ पर आप you were a bit depressed yesterday, but you look happier today we have applied. आप इसमें एक एडजेक्टिव और ऐड कर सकते हैं, मोर चीयरफुल. ओके, डिप्रेस्ड का आप ऑपोजिट चीयरफुल भी ले सकते हैं. सो यू कैन ऐड अप हेयर मोर cheerful. You should have the knowledge that we can also use this. Okay, I hope that these exercises are clear to you. I want you to go for the video once again. Thanks for watching the video. Good.